Fatima, is there something wrong with the table?
Me?
We're just feeding babies over here. Line up.
Line up.
Get in the chow line, babies.
I know.
Folks, we got a table.
Do one. Quickly, quickly.
I know, but I'm not sure if this is really teaching any table manners, baby.
But Leslie.
What method do you call this?
Like charity.
Yeah, it's like a soup line.
Oh no, no.
Hey,
no.
sweetie, how's the spaghetti?
Maria said.
4G, stand up in that line, boy. I think 4G took like 5 bites to Maria's 1. Yeah, folks, whatever gets the job done, I guess. They've already ate. How many times they eat already? Just need a little Scooby snack. Maria, masarap?
Eat that.
Maria got a new dress today from Lazada, huh? Look, believe it or not, we got a table right here. 4 chairs, table. Yes, it's bamboo. We got a table. My goodness, sweetie. Masarap? Man, you babies ate that whole plate of spaghetti. Good job. What y'all doing over here? Playing with the new hair bows? Maria got all kind of new hair bows, huh? From Lazada? Good job, Maria. Alright folks, it's pizza night here. It is pizza night. And these babies right here are going to town. Forrest G is on these fries. How's them fries, buddy? I think them fries are Forrest G approved. Maria, are you going to eat all the fries, sweetie? Masarap? Oh, this is S&R New York style pizza. My goodness. Look at that. That's half pepperoni and half, I think, garlic shrimp. I mean, that is going to be some kind of delicious. And also got the cheese crust. That is a proper pizza. We were going to go with Shambolis. We love Shambolis, but I wanted to change it up tonight. And let me just show you the wings that we're working with from S&R. A little light here. I can't remember what to call those. Oh yeah, the honey garlic. There's a big one. It's a big guava. Oh, the birds are eating them? All right, pick them all then.
Oh, I don't want to eat that. No, the bird ate the
There's a big one up there too. In your shorts.
No, I can't. It's big.
Oh, easy, baby. Easy, greasy. Hey, this tree's straining.
Just the bird ate the...
That's why them birds are hanging out. They're eating up buffet on this tree. Come on out of there. Come out of that tree, baby. There's a big one right there. Watch it. You bust your head. Beautiful baby.
Ay, maano-ano.
Hey, sweetie. You laying on Papa's jacket? That's a good blanket there. Shout out to my friend, Super Big Johnny. I saw you walking down the street, man, with a GoPro. I'm this hot sun, man. I hope you're doing well. I'm the man on a mission right now, or to stop and talk to you, brother. But I hope you're doing well. And I'll catch up with you later. You fell asleep while we were working on this video. What can I do? Man, it looks like Forest G is a plant that you're watering and trying to get them to grow.
I'm trying to wash the clothes.
And what's he doing in the bucket?
I don't know. He started in there.
He's tired of the hot tub, now he's in the bucket.
Grow plants. Nice. So hot.
Now give me the water hose, I'll cool you off, baby.
Wala ka. I'm the one who pulled you off.
Dada.
Go, sweetie.
Apa?
I think those are peanuts.
Ay.
I'm not sure, but the kuya said sarap. Folks, heard the man go ding, 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 ding. He's got a little bell. You know, he's ringing it ding, 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 ding. And you can hear him coming around the corner. So I said, y'all want ice cream? Fatima didn't act like she was too energetic, but I had 60 pesos on the desk. It's 20 pesos each. It was a match made in heaven. So I flagged the kuya down. Got everybody an ice cream. That's what you gotta love about over here. You know, places like here, Thailand. It's like my Thai wife said, you know, we were sitting in the village years ago, first time I ever went to the village. You just sit there in front of the house and all of a sudden somebody drives up on a motorbike selling corn. So boom, all of a sudden, dirt cheap, you're eating a beautiful, delicious ear of corn, butter, salt on it. And you sit there, 15 minutes later, here comes somebody selling coconuts. Then you're sipping on a fresh coconut. You ain't even left the carport. Now, it's not that good here. Don't get me wrong, the Philippines is not Thailand. On a daily basis, we have the Tahoe man in the morning, which they love the Tahoe, so that's a good thing. And occasionally that ice cream dude. And the other day somebody rolled through selling baskets or something. But you just sit back, listen for the bell, listen for the Tahoe. But in Thailand, it's 100 times better. I mean, you can literally, at least up in her village, her hometown, my ex-wife, you just sit there on the carport drinking beer, and it's like every 10-15 minutes here comes some different food. You don't even got to leave the carport. Deliciousness. Baby, Fatima looking some kind of beautiful today. My goodness. So let me show you what we got here. Take the lid off of that bad boy. Just set them right there. Try not to drop that on my foot. But check out that soup. I know I got a little shadow going on, but that is some good chicken soup. All it's got in it is a little onions, some eggplant, like 3 tomatoes, some of my special sauces and spices, and look at there, that chicken's just falling off the bone. Folks, I want to thank everybody for joining me on that long premiere video today about my false, I don't want to put them keywords in this video because then it'll get the warning up at the top. You know what I'm talking about. Thanks to everybody who joined us on that video. Appreciate all the comments. I got to go back. There's more comments coming in. Obviously, it's a subject that everybody don't agree on. But hey, dissent is always welcome here on my channel. I truly believe that dissent is the ultimate form of patriotism. If you disagree with what anybody else has to say, respectfully speak up and let's debate it. So I appreciate you joining me. It's just been one of those days. The babies actually took a nap at the same time today. And so me and Filipina wife number 1 laid on the bamboo couch and watched the movie, watched the TV together. It was just a low-key afternoon. I planned on taking the babies to the beach, but they both just wanted a nap at the same time. And then it started getting late, so I said I gotta cook. So we're gonna get up in the morning, take them to the beach. I don't know if I'll add anything to this video. Maybe I'll just show the smiling faces when they dig into my biscuits. But then I'm going to conclude it, and I want to say thanks for joining me. If you're not a subscriber, right there, bottom right hand corner of your screen, hit that overstay road sign. Get on board my train. Food, beer, visas, cooking shows, bad behavior, beer drinking, anything really I want to do. But how can you not subscribe after taking a look at these damn biscuits right here? I don't know.